Sometimes we may feel the need to dim our light, to blend in with the crowd and avoid standing out. We may fear judgment or rejection, hiding our true brilliance from the world. But we are not meant to hide in the shadows. We are radiant beings filled with unique gifts and talents. I am a glorious star and do not conceal my talents, creativity, abilities, and unique gifts. I am a radiant star, sharing my unique gifts and talents with the world. I am a city on a hill that would not be hidden, my light cannot be dimmed. I am a beacon of inspiration and possibility. Unleash your innate light and let it shine. You are a magnificent being, deserving of all the good that life has to offer.